It is October 20th, 73 degrees outside, 79 degrees inside. The temperatures are starting to fall. Thank goodness. I finally cut down this ochote. I'm gonna take the bucket outside, give it a real good cleaning, fill it up with some tap water, and let that sit for 48 hours. And I did plant some cucumber seeds from Johnny Seeds, so we're gonna see how that does in the bucket with some aeration and some nutrients. So stay tuned for the cucumber grow in a bucket. Now let's take a look at the red basil. I planted these a couple weeks ago. I did lose those two little ones that were in there. They just weren't mature enough. They died off, but the rest survived, and they're looking good. So we'll check back in 7 days and see how they're doing. And as for the lettuce, oh my goodness, they're looking awesome. What a difference. These are from Johnny Seeds. And this one is from the Ohio Seed Company. What a difference a week makes. Look at that. I mean, that's awesome growth. You can't beat that right there, folks. Feed your family, feed yourself, feed your friends. Always cultivate with kindness, one seed at a time. Have a beautiful day.